first I have to say congratulations.
Thank you.
I was surprised that it hadn't already happened, but very happy that it was happening while I was part of the board. So, how does it feel for you, though, to be recognized in the fundraiser?
You know, I think it's absolutely been a marvelous process, which has shocked me.
Mm-hmm.
The first time I got the notification, I almost didn't take the call, thinking I can't do anything else. And I said, well, let me just answer this call and tell them, you know, I can't go on the board again right now. I can't take on anything more. And so I took the call, and Cheryl Gerson said to me, do you remember me? I said, of course I do. And she said, well, I want to tell you that EGPS would like to honor you. I have to tell you, I was shocked.
Wow.
I was shocked. It just took me completely off guard. But it's been wonderful. I mean, I've been obviously very active in the organization and very much believe in its mission.
Mm-hmm.
And I've dedicated myself to really, well, that's how we met, right?
Exactly, yeah.